So working from home has been super exciting, and it allows a lot of people to exercise at many times during the day. I think one thing you need to do is to just frame what your expectations are. You're not going to be able to do, a 400-pound deadlift in many cases in your living room, or you're not going to be able to get on a step mill in the dining room to get some cardio in. What you can do though, you can do a lot of really cool bodyweight exercises to challenge your muscles and to get your resistance training in that way. But other simple things, like if you go a 10-15 minute walk after each meal, at the end of the day, you're doing anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes of low intensity cardio, and that can help improve your caloric expenditure, that can start to improve your blood sugar levels, and that's a really easy thing to incorporate day over day. If you're gonna choose 3 things to do for exercise while you're working from home, number 1, I would focus on your cardiovascular fitness and getting in your walking during the day. That can either be done in one longer session, or that can be broken up into many multiple small sessions that can be spread out throughout morning, afternoon, and evening. For resistance training, I would recommend using bodyweight exercises that encompass the entire body, so things like air squats or chair squats, modified push-ups on a counter, or actual push-ups on the floor. There's a lot of different variations that you can find that you can incorporate into your day-to-day activity. The third component would be flexibility. Taking time maybe every hour, maybe set an alarm on your phone so that you can stretch out for maybe 30 seconds, even to a minute, every single hour. By the end of the day, or by the end of the workday at least, you're gonna see a lot more flexibility improvement because you're doing this on a repetitive basis. One of the easiest and best ways to get started on Cenogenics is go to cenogenics.com, get signed up, and we'll be in contact with you.